Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Vox. Tracy here, and it's dark. It's dark outside. The time is 22:50, 100 hours. That's just for, who was it who said that? I can't remember now. Someone said, you know, I hate it when people talk in a 24-hour clock. It's like, and they put some military thing underneath, and I said, what time is it? It's like 16:30, Captain. I guess you had to be there, really. But yeah, that's the time, and I've only just really sat down to do my video because I've been extremely busy today. Craziest day. I had three yarn deliveries in a day. I've not even looked at one of them. I haven't had the chance. I can't remember if I bought anything new in it, if it was just all restocking anyway. But I don't know. I think there was new stuff in there. I just haven't had chance to even look in its direction. I haven't. So first off, I just thought that my King Cole order was coming. And then James C. Brett turned up. Not in person. You know, it wasn't him. Hang on. It's telling me it's not centered, I think. Well, that's as good as it's going to get. Oh, stop telling me that. Won't let me move it. I can't do it because of the... If it says it might vibrate. Zzz, I don't think it will. So, sorry. I don't think it will. Oh, look, it can't focus on me. I'm sorry about the lighting. It's awful. It makes me look fat and old. Oh, dear. Well, not... it's not nice, I have to say. Not the most flattering of light. But, yeah, so the James C. Brett order came. And I undid that, and I did an unboxing. And then I'd uploaded it while I was waiting for King Cole to arrive. And then Starcraft arrived. And I thought, oh, okay. Thanks. And then the boxes that I'd ordered arrived. And oh, they're heavy. But some orders just need them. You know, they're just so big that they need them. And yeah, so they arrived. And then as Starcraft, I thought it was over. He said, I've got another one on the van for you. And I went, oh, okay. And you come out. Thought it was just another box. And it wasn't. It was King Cole. So I undid that one. And I haven't uploaded it yet because I've just been... I'd had all these mystery boxes that I couldn't fulfill. Well, I could fulfill them. But I said to everybody, you know, would you rather... I thought I saw a spider then. Would you rather wait until the new yarn's in? And they said, yeah, that's fine. Yeah, wait for the new yarn. So as it had all kind of arrived, I've actually sold some I don't even have on the computer yet. Got negative book stock on it. But I've made a note. I'm going to have to go do a stock take of so much stuff. But yeah, I've made a note of all the things that I need to take off when I put them on eventually. And boy, it has been a mission, but a nice labour of love, I have to say. But Gary was a bit bored without me today, so much so that he took River home and he stayed and had a little cuddle with the baby. I haven't seen the baby yet because I couldn't go. I had all these parcels coming. And so when he got home, because he was alone, he decided to have a few drinks in the garden. He hadn't eaten anything, so he got a little bit worse for wear. So yeah, that was Gary. He's snoring his head off now. But he did bring me a couple of drinks out, you know. He brought me a Coke and then he brought me a cup of tea. So yeah, he did kind of check in on me. Let's have a look at the calendar picture. We had Gus Fring yesterday. That's not his name. Moff Gideon. Moff. What a name. Today we have this one. We've got... Is that little groggy there? It is, isn't it? No. I don't know what that is. I can't make it out. Hold the phone. It's a little robot, I think. I have no idea what that is. Little robot. That's what I believe it is. A little Robert. Okay, so that's that one. Let's have a little looky in the mum joke book. Well, it's the what one did we do? We did March? No. Yeah, we did April. May. Between Cinco de Mayo and Mother's Day, you can justify a daily margarita for the first half of the month. Otherwise, just enjoy the weather. That was Gary today, and it wasn't margarita. It wasn't margarita. But he did both. He enjoyed the weather as well. Now, if I look as if I'm in scruffs, it is. I had different clothes on earlier, and then I thought, well, this one, I'm going to have to stick it in the wash anyway. And it's a nice grey colour, so if I get dusty boxes, it's just that when the yarn comes, you know, it comes from their warehouse and then in a van, so you know they can sometimes be a tad dusty, the outer boxes anyway, not the yarn because that's all in packages. But yeah, if I've got to lug those boxes about and sort them out, then I figured I would dress appropriately. And I got upset here and I thought, you should go and change your top, really. And I thought, I haven't got the energy to change my top, really. So, honestly, the size of those boxes that I'm posting off, my postman is going to have a thrombo when he sees them. But, you know, I'm glad. I am. I'm glad. Oh, not glad he's going to have a thrombo, but glad to have them. So cheers, everyone. Nice cup of tea. I've only had one all day. Tell and I came in and I made one. When Gary had his bath, I made him a coffee, see if I could sort him out a little bit before he went to bed. Anyway, that's my day. My day's been, well, humping boxes, and I managed to sort of find homes for a lot of stuff, which is good. Not everything. And I've still got more to do out there tomorrow. And I've got up, still haven't done all of my first order of the week, you know, where I get the hand dyed yarn and all the accessories. I still haven't put them on. I've put the yarn but not the accessories. And so now I've done the patterns for James C. Brett order. But I don't even remember what I ordered for Starcraft. I know I got some yarns that were going very low or out of stock, but other than that, I can't actually remember. It's just a blur. It's a blur. Never mind. I'll figure it out when I open that box tomorrow. It'll be like having a little party, can't it? You know, what you get? Oh, let's have a look. That sort of thing, maybe. Who knows? So yeah, I'm a bit tired. But last night, you know, I said I haven't slept that great for 2 nights. Well, I was a bit washed out. And yesterday, I feel like I've told you this. Have I done my chat already? Have I done it? I'm beginning to doubt myself. So, Gus Fring was Tuesday. Oh, I hadn't done it. Why did I feel like I've told you this? Maybe I said it on the unboxing. I actually had to doubt myself then. I thought, whoa, I'm in a deja vu moment. So anyway, we went out and walked along the beach and kind of looked at the sunset, but it didn't really work out. But I did film it. I don't know whether I'll put it on because it might sound like a force 9 gale is blowing. But I have to check it out first because the sea, it was really still here. But as soon as we got to the beach, I mean, there's a sea over there, but it's not the beach. As soon as we got to the beach, the wind was unreal. And I loved it. The waves were crashing. It's just how I love it. But, yeah, and we didn't have any jackets. And it was getting a bit chilly. So, yeah, I really didn't have the energy to walk, but I did a bit. You know, I was like, oh, you're joking, aren't you? I'm exhausted after what we were doing. You know. Anyway, so when River went to sleep, we sat and watched a bit of TV, but I was really watching it like this. And in the end, I went to bed. I couldn't fight it any longer, and I slept for 10 hours. So I must have needed it. But yeah, conked out for 10 hours. Now, good thing, my hands are getting better. That cream is working. As soon as I started using it, I've noticed a real improvement, especially on this bit. And that's the bit that I really hated. Well, no, I hated it all because the thumbs were, where it was peeling, it was really bad. So yeah, that cream is working. Maybe it was eczema after all. Now I'm sporting some beautiful bruises. You can't really see them in all their glory, but there are a few there. And I had one this side, same place, and I thought, what on earth is going on? And I did have one up there, but I think that was my derma rolling. I've been trying to derma roll, see if it helps with bingo wings. It's just an experiment. But not that it normally bruises me, but that's a very kind of tender area, isn't it, under there? Like bingo wing area. So anyway, there I am with all these bruises, and I'm thinking, what on earth have I got wrong with me? Well, I know what it is. There used to be a handrail out in the conservatory along the passage for Gary's mum, because she had very, very poor mobility. And he took it down and he gave it to his brother, who at the time his wife had been diagnosed with cancer and she was quite poorly. So he took the handrail and put it in his stairway. So we didn't have the handrail, but there was a few of the brackets still left. And he took them all down, but he couldn't get the one at the end because at the time we had lots of DIY stuff stacked there. Well, since then he still hasn't taken it down. And when I go out there carrying boxes, I bash my arm on it. And because that's why they're in exactly the same place, because that's the level. And as I go past, I go bong. So I have bruises both sides. That one's not quite so bright. I don't think you can see it really. It's there. But then I've got about 3 there. It looks like I'm being beaten up. But I'm only being beaten up by a bracket and boxes. Oh, well. That is lovely. I'm going to get off and upload this because I feel like I look like Quasimodo. And you don't have to agree with me, by the way. You know, just feel free. You don't have to. But yeah, I do feel like I look a bit like Quasimodo. And it's the shadows and the... I'm tired. So I shall see you on the morrow. And with more yarn. I have to film the King Cole yarn tomorrow and unbox the James C. Brett. No, I've done that. The Stylecraft, I mean. And I have an awful lot to put on the computer. So, yeah. Busy time. Busy time. Anyway, take care. I'll see you guys on the next one. And please excuse the way that the light is making me kind of look. I don't like it at all. Bye for now.